All right, good morning. Here is our setup for the roller coaster lab. All right, this, sad to say, very sad to say, this is in fact the roller coaster. Yeah, it's just a piece of wood, straight wood, so it's hardly a roller coaster. But anyways, here's the setup. We are going to be changing the height, the release height, and using the stopwatch we will be getting the time that it takes this ball bearing, to roll down the ramp. I mean roller coaster. So here is our first setup, and I'm just going to give you a visual on it. So this is at 15 centimeters, and that was pretty impressive. And our next height is 30 centimeters, and I can just raise it up to right here. I have pre-measured the heights. So our 30 centimeters, just to give you an idea what it looks like, I'm going to release it up at the top and just watch it roll down. That's kind of cool that you can actually see it rolling down, or at least I could see it in the screen. And here's 45. You can see that each height it's getting slightly faster. Okay, so here's our 45. And now, to get 60 and 75, I'm going to move the clamp and the ring stand over. And so now this is 60. And watch how fast this one goes. Kind of nice sound effects too. It slams against the wall quite nicely. And finally, 75 is way up here. You can barely see it in the screen. And when I let it go, it gets down there very quickly. So that's the setup for the lab. And I'm going to pause the video, and I will give you the data, the time data, and then you can just work on processing the lab.